we're back. As you can see now, we're fully covered. We got the wood sheeting on and the vapor barrier. All we need to do is get the metal roof put on, and the roof will be done. But first they're going to start working on the flooring. We're going to have stained concrete flooring, which is, it's just going to be concrete flooring with a nice beautiful stain on it. So they're doing some patching here to get it all smooth, and then they're going to come in here and smooth it all out again, do some more repairing, and then they'll acid wash it and start the staining process. That's where we are today. Outside, we're going to show you outside. You can see the roof on the back patio. We're so happy with this. The beautiful timbers. Going to have a nice area to sit outside, barbecue. It's going to be a great atmosphere. We'll walk up here a ways. Show you the top of the roof. And we tested out the roof last night because we had a couple hours of monsoon rains, and appears to be no leaks. Of course, we don't have the metal on yet. So there's the roof. So we're moving along here. Can't wait to see more. So we've been gone to SoCal to visit family, and we came back, and guess what we have? We have windows and a front door and framing and the back doors. There's the back door from the master bedroom, the framing for the master bath, the framing for the washer and dryer room, framing for the spare bedroom, and the door to the spare bedroom goes out back. And here is the guest bathroom framed up. All that boarding, backboarding for the cabinets eventually. So a lot's gotten done while we were gone. We're so happy with this. Oh, and also they started to stain the floor. That's the first part of it. You got to go through a few more acid washes and cleaning up, and then restaining and acid washes just to get it perfect. But that's basically the color. So we're excited. We're moving on. So next week, hopefully, we'll have the plumbing and the wiring, put in all the studding. And we, of course, I said that we're meeting with the cabinet man. I don't know what other electrical stuff they'll be doing, but that's what's going to be next. So stay tuned. See you next. Hey, it's been a while since we've last caught up with our building project, but we took a time off last month to visit family. So we are back again to let you get caught up with what's been going on in the project. Here we go. All right. As we know, we got the studdings. The studding's all in the interior. All the wiring's done. We have plumbing. We have AC ducting. And we also have our chimney was installed. So we're moving along here.
The next phase will be, I guess, drywall, which probably will be starting next week. I hope not next year. Next week. And then our stuccoing for the exterior of the building should be starting soon too. So we're moving along. Hopefully we're down that short road of completion. We can't wait. We're trying to hope that we can get in here on Thanksgiving because we have our family coming for Thanksgiving, and it'll be the first time they've seen the house. That's my son and his family. But we're getting excited for the completion.
Well, we have a few accomplishments we want to tell you this week. We have spray foam in the attic, and we have heating and AC ducting in all over the house. So let me take you on another tour.
Here's a picture of the spray foam over the porch. There's our ducting throughout the house. You can see the spray foam is all over the bottom of the roof here. More ducting in the kitchen area, ducting in the living area. Air handler is going to be right there. Ducting in the main bedroom. So it's coming along real good.
So hopefully by next or the end of this week, they're going to start doing drywall. And by the end of this week, should be sheetrocked in. And then somebody will come in and do the finishing on the sheetrock. But we're moving along. Here's a look from on top in the attic. Pretty soon we'll never see this view again. Here's the AC ductwork up here. Air handler's gonna go right there, attaching to a box, air box. Here's the hot water heater. And there's the air handler waiting to be installed. But again, this is from the top of the attic. It'll be all enclosed in a couple of days. Well, we now have our green roof installed. It looks beautiful. So that was the last part of the dried in, and that's now complete. Well, I'm back again. As you can see, we have walls. I'm in the main bedroom because I don't want to go into the rest of the house because we're going to save that for the final reveal. But we have walls, and all the other finishings are being done here. Tile's going to go in, cabinets are here, and they're going to be installed. And so next time you see us, we'll be doing the reveal of the house. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell. Till next time, take care.